everyone, it's Tammy and I have a yarn haul. This is from a place called Love Knitting and my sweet husband got this for me for Christmas. He told me to pick out some yarn and I did, and he said, you know, I could spend about $100, and so I added stuff to my cart. And actually, you know what had happened is I had actually had stuff in my cart and he wanted to know how much was in there. And I said, oh, I don't know, about $100. And he was like, oh, okay. And then so I was shopping some more and doing some stuff. And he said, well, let me see your phone. And he took my phone because I was shopping on my phone. And he just bought what was in my cart. And there was way more than $100 in there when he bought it. So I got a little peppermint. Love Knitting. I got 5 free patterns plus 10,000 more online. There's a 25% off coupon in here. I have never purchased from them before. So they have luxury and hand-dyed yarns. They have regular yarns like that you would buy at the store. I tried to buy some stuff that I hadn't seen before just because I think that's fun to do, because, you know, I can go to the Hobby Lobby or to the Michaels or the craft stores. And I understand that there's a yarn shop close to me too, but I haven't seen that, or I haven't even searched for it. So I got this one. This was a sample, and I think this was like $3.50. It's Vanna's palettes, and so it had, and she had about 4 or 5 different color combinations, but there's just a little sampling of each. 2 packs of Vanna's palettes coordinates with 4 balls of Baby's Choice. So I don't know. This is a size 4, and this is Peaceful. And there are 17 yards for each one of these. So, you know, it's not going to make anything significant, but it'll give you a nice sampling of, I said that funny, a nice sampling of her colors and her yarn. And I know that some of Vanna's stuff I have seen at one of the craft stores. I'd have to look now to see which one. I kind of think it was Hobby Lobby, but I thought that might be neat, and it'll be fun to look at the yarn. So there's that one. And then I got some ribbon yarn. I saw someone make a really cool scarf with one of these. I mean, it's like that. It's not going to be a scarf that will, you know, keep you warm, but it's just a decorative scarf. And I love black and gray. And so I got this one thinking that I would like those. And then I apparently thought that I might like these colors, and online sometimes the colors get you, because that is not a color that I would normally pick. This is called Grapevine, and I'm not even saying it's ugly. I like black, I like blue and purple together, and maybe that's what I was thinking when I saw this and thought, oh well, I could add the green, but I'm not sure. This is not, I mean, looking at it like this, had I seen it like this in the store, I know I would have passed it up. But that's kind of fun, because I think that I should broaden my horizons a bit. So yeah, this one is a definite, and this one is a woo, I don't know, but I'm kind of excited to try it and see what I can do. I've never used this kind of yarn before, so we'll give that a whirl. And let's open this bag. This one looks interesting. Lots of fun stuff. So when I was shopping, I really didn't know exactly what I was doing, and I was just putting things in my cart that I thought looked good and thought that maybe I would use for something. Now some of these I'm looking at now going, I don't know that there's even enough yarn in there to do anything with, but we shall see. I mean, like those and this, I don't know, but surely there's something, right? I'm just going to put all of this in that box after I'm done using it or showing you. So this is called Jamie, which is interesting that its name is Jamie, just because that's, you know, an odd name for a yarn, I would say. And this is blue stripes, and it's pretty. It's a 3. So to make anything substantial, I would probably double it up, but you could make something really tight, really cute with this. But again, I don't know that there's enough to do anything with. I'm trying to see how much yarn there is here. I have my glasses on, but I really do need a new prescription. This should tell me. Oh, 109 yards. Wow, well, there's more than I expected there to be. So it's just fine, and it's very pretty. It's soft and nice, so that's cool. And this is really nice. This is called Weekender. It's super chunky. It is very nice, very soft, 100% acrylic. This is in the shade Cream, and it's by Stylecraft, and there's 109 yards in here. So that's pretty. Ooh, these are kind of fun. I don't have any like this. So this is a ball of yarn, and it has like the middle, it's like a donut. And this is about 74 yards, it says. And look at how chunky this is. This is made in Italy. It's very fluffy. It's not super soft, but it is very fluffy. And that's one strand of yarn, I guess. Let's see, what does it say here? Hand wash, lay flat to dry. I can scan that for a pattern. Use size 11 needles. It's 41% acrylic, 33% nylon, 18% wool, and 8% polyester. And I don't know, it's in the color 5000, which doesn't really tell us much. But that's kind of cool. It'd be kind of neat to try, do something with. And here's this one, and it has sparkles in it, and it looks like I got 2 of these. Maybe I didn't get the same color, though. I don't know. I just went crazy and just got all sorts of stuff. It might be the same. You can tell that they're similar anyway. I mean, they have silver sparkle through it, and the color changes. But I think that they are the same, because here's the pink and the green, and then the gray, and here's pink and green. And I bet if I dig, yeah, there's some gray. So I think that these are the same. And they're very cool. I don't know exactly what I'll use them for yet, but I am liking them. So there's that. And I love, love, love this one. This is a hank of yarn. It's called Bamboozle. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite. I am loving this. I wonder what I'll do with it. I should have maybe gotten 2. It's so pretty. This is 153 yards, 83% acrylic, 8% acrylic. I was like, how does that work? 8% acrylic, 44% wool, and 48% bamboo. How does that work? Bamboo. That's interesting. And this is, it suggests that you use a 6mm US size 10 needle. And this is the color Neapolitan. I really wish I would have gotten more of this, because I think I will need more to make something, and I really like this. Like a pretty shawl or something. I don't know why I really like this, but I do. It's really, really pretty. And I'm not huge into color. I like a lot of basic blacks and grays, but this is beautiful. So there we go. And here's this one. It's called Rapido. And this is a thick yarn. I'm trying to, these look like they come from other countries, so sometimes they're not as easily seen as what I'm used to looking at. But this says it's a size 7 and use size 11, size 7 needles. And it's made in Turkey. I don't know what this means. Maybe you need 42 skeins to make that. I don't know. So it's 50% nylon, 25% wool, and 25% acrylic. And it is, I mean, it's very pretty, and it's a nice color, and it feels good. So that's cool. And this one is super thin. This is Cotton Soft. It is very soft. Rico Baby. This is, you use a size 3 or 5, I guess, knitting needle with this. And it's 125 meters, which I don't know what that translates into yards, but it's more yards than it is meters. I know that. So there's a lot in here, but it's because it's super thin. This is almost like, oh goodness, I can't think of, like, oh, I had it and then I lost it. It's not twine, but it's almost like a thick thread more than it is a yarn. It even kind of feels like thread. Like baker's twine, that's what I was trying to think of. That's what this feels like and looks like. All right. Oh, here's another one of the, oh, I didn't realize it had like a ridge. That's interesting. Do you take this side off then? I don't know. Or does it stay like that? Seems like when I see them, they're fluffy, so it doesn't seem like it would be stitched at both ends, but maybe it is. I don't know. But that's a pretty color. Pretty for Valentine's Day. And this looks like something that I could get at Hobby Lobby, so I'm not sure exactly what I was thinking about with this one, except for this is my husband's favorite color, so I was probably thinking about that when I saw this. So this is a size 5 bulky, and there's 185 yards on here, so this is a substantial skein, and it's very pretty, so that is nice. This is in the color Meadow. And I think I got 2 of those because I think this is another one. Yes, indeed. So I did get 2 of those. Oh, and I also got 2 of these. And I like that color. And it looks like I got 3 of these. So that's cool. Oh, good. And here's a second one of these. They didn't put them together, so I don't know how many I ended up getting of some of these things, but let's see. Looks like I got 1 of those. And all right, so let's see. Hopefully I got another one of those ones that I really liked. We'll see. But this is more of the Jamie yarn, and this is in the color Lullaby Pink. It is a beautiful pink color, beautiful shade of pink. And there's 2, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'll do something fun. And, oh, here's another Jamie. This is the pink stripe, I bet. Yep, called Pink Stripe. And, yeah, it's the same as the others. And here is this one. It's called Joy Supreme. Look how thick this is. This is 1 thing of yarn. I don't know how to use this. I must have seen this and thought, ooh, this might make something cool. And actually just stretching it out kind of looks cool. So yeah, this might do something really neat, and I kind of like the blue hint in there. Like if these edges stick out like that and then the blue is kind of just hidden in the middle, I think that could be really pretty. So we'll see. This is made in Italy. There's only 14 yards in here, so hopefully this will be enough to do something with. And it's 42% wool and 42% acrylic, 13% nylon, and 3% mohair. Whatever mohair is, I don't know. It feels a little woolly, but it's nice. Huh, interesting. Then I have 1 more bag. Oh, I have another one of those pink stripe ones, and it looks like I have another gray. So, oh, look, I think I got another one. Yes, I did. So this looks like a bag of seconds of some of the things that I had already gotten. Okay, so here's a second and a third of the, or maybe this is a third and a fourth. It is, it's a third and a fourth. Oh, good, because that's pretty gray. So I can make something nice with that. And here's the second one of these. Oh, that does make me happy because I love this. And this is so not my style. I mean, the style is mine, but the coloring is not something I would usually pick. But I'm loving it. So that's cool. And then, oh, good. I think this is the same as this one. Yes. So that's cool. And it looks like I got another one of each of those. And then are these 2 the same? Yes, even the same lot, 9535. So these are called Berger, I'm not really sure, in the color Cyclone, I believe. Or Astro Rouge might be the color. Yes, sorry, the Astro Rouge is the color. And this is 78% acrylic, 18% worsted wool, and 4% polyester. And I can't read what size needle it's recommending. This is from France. 93 yards. So I have 2 of those. This is a really pretty maroon color. I don't know, hopefully the camera's picking that up, but it's a beautiful color. And I guess Cyclone is the type of yarn that it is, and you can see how it's kind of zigzaggy. It's really pretty. And then last but not least is this one. It is called Sugar Blush Bold. This is 100% wool, extra fine, super washed merino wool. And what's it say about it? Here we go. This is, it says to use, it's a 4. This is a medium. And this is not a color that I would usually pick, but, and this says where we designed it in Canada, where we turn cold into cool. That's pretty funny. It says to use a US size 7 to 9 needle, and I'm trying to figure out what color it is. Maybe the color is bold? That seems different. Oh, maybe it's in here. That's the lot number. Nope. So maybe the color is bold, but it's like a grayish bluish color. I don't know exactly what color to call it. But bold doesn't give you any description. So it's almost like a, what's a good, like a country blue almost, but it's a little darker than that. It's even almost a little bit green if I'm looking at it again. I would almost say it's a country blue meets gray green. I don't know. It's a pretty color. I think it'll make something pretty. So there we go. That is my Christmas yarn. So thank you, Dennis, for this wonderful gift. I love it, and I hope to put it to good use. So thank you, thank you. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.